Hello, welcome to May 11th, Monday. All right, we're ready to get some work done today, so let's get into our warm-up. So we have 2 minutes of easy jog, road bike, so cardio movement. If you don't have any of those, you can't go outside, jog in place, toe taps, jumping jacks, anything you can do for 2 minutes, okay? Into 2 rounds, so we're going through this twice. 10 plate deadlifts or backpack deadlifts, or if you have dumbbells, just deadlift, okay? Alternating dead bugs, meaning left and right, so your one arm and one leg, the opposite will stay up while the others go back, and then alternate each ones, okay? Plate strict press with a 2-second pause. So that's anything, even if you have dumbbells, I would probably just use one dumbbell, grab it by the heads, and just hold it overhead, 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, come back down. Okay, 10 hollow rocks or a 20-second hollow hold, okay? And 10 Superman arch rocks, that's the same thing on your belly, chest and legs off the ground, rocking on your belly, okay? So we're going through 2 rounds of that, okay? And then we'll get into our workout. Let's check out what it is. All right, here we are with our workout. We have an AMRAP of 15 minutes. And we're going to go through, if you have a rower at home, so you're going to go 15, 12 calorie row, or 45 seconds of cardio movements. Okay, so that could be anything from a jump rope to a run to a bike, anything that you can do for 45 seconds. Now, if you don't have that, you can do toe taps. If you don't have a row, you want to get kind of that rowing sensation, you can do sumo deadlift high pulls for 45 seconds. Okay, see how many reps you get in that 45 seconds and just stick with that, okay? Into 15 ground to overhead. So going from the ground, touch the ground, overhead. That could be a clean and jerk, clean and press. That could be a snatch, anything that you can get from ground to overhead, okay? Then we're going into 15 tuck-ups. So this is like a super sit-up, you know, coming your chest and knees coming together and then laying all the way back down. Okay, so 15 reps there. Score is rounds plus reps, so you're going through this for 15 minutes, see how far you can get. All right, and then that's it for today. Okay, if you're on one of the Zoom classes, you'll be going through a nice little stretch and cool down. If you're at home, just go through a nice little, you know, full body stretch, hamstrings, quads, midsection. Okay, we'll see you all after movement demos. See you tomorrow. Have a good one.